So, in this topic, we will discuss how we can declare the constant and variable. So, let's start. So, first, we are going to declare the constant, right? It will be when we write something like let login attempt equal to 0, right? And variable maximum login attempt equal to 10, right? So here you can see that I have added let variable name and the value. The interesting thing is that where I haven't added any kind of data type, right? What kind of data type is login attempt, right? It actually fetched the data type and automatically set the data type with their appropriate values, right? If it's a 0, then it will set the data type as an integer. Okay, so let's see whether we can change the constant value or not, right? Login attempt, that is the constant value, and here we can say this is the variable, right? When when uh, when we declare any variable using let, then it will be constant type, and when we declare any variable as a variable, then it will be a variable type. So here you can see that cannot assign the property login attempt is a let, that is constant, so we cannot change this value, right? Okay, so point is that if I want to add some kind of value using the type annotation, it means that we want to add variable with their data type, like, so let variable username, it will be string type, right? It's not optional. This is what exclamatory sign and question mark sign, this is what we use to creating the variable. Optional, the exclamatory sign, this means that we are sure about the values, right? Username will be present, username will be there, right? And if we say the optional type, then there might be possible the username will not be available, there might be possible that username is available. So if you are not sure about whether the value is available or not, right, so you can use this question mark, right? Question mark for optional, declaring optional. Also you can create the multiple values, right? By expression 1 equal to 0, expression 2 equal to 2, expression 3 equal to 3, right? You can create the multiple variable using separated by comma, right? So it will be easy for you and for us to whenever we are writing code, right? So it will be terms as a clean code. Okay, also we can assign the value like this, username equal to my name is Narendra, so that's it. So it's quite simple. It's quite simple. Whatever we are declaring, if when we are declaring using let, then it will be terms as a constant value, we are not going to change that value, right? We can create value variable by using var keyword. When it's a var keyword, then it will be changed, right? This is called the type annotation, we have declared here the type, and in this case it already accepted the type based on their values, right? We can create a variable, multiple variable using comma separated. So hope you understand this video, so stay tuned. Okay, thank you.